The Nord SK 2200-3fctc-k, also known as the 278022057, is an AC drive we received for repair from a hospital. This motor control had a shorted power supply and required a full rebuild, even though by age it was only a few years old. We rebuilt this drive, and since it came in without a keypad, we had a slight delay to purchase this for a full and proper test, which can be seen in the video. At ERD, we routinely purchase keypads or other accessory devices for product lines when it is necessary to full and properly test the entire system.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.